No, you stay in. There's too much snow for us. I can barely even get the door open. If you look in that back corner there, a tree branch fell on the fence and kind of crushed it down. You can't really see. I'm not going to walk over there. Look at this, though. That's how much snow there is. That's crazy. That's over 2 feet, but that might be a little bit of a drift there. That's close to 3 feet, so yeah, that's got to be drifting. But towards the front here, I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of a whiteout because it's coming in. I'm in the backyard. So yeah, he just got confused because of the snow. We'll cut him a break, but he's been doing some bad things lately, so he's gonna have a re-education session with Daddy. We're gonna start a couple sessions. Hey, keep the door shut. I don't want the cat getting out in this.
You move, Daddy.
Hold on, son. No, you stay in, buddy. All right, so there it is. Careful. Get up. It's a little dangerous out here because these trees can break the branches. One just broke in my backyard and fell down. But yeah, we got a fair amount of snow. Look at that. All right, little man, get up. We got a shovel. We got a lot of shoveling to do. We got some shoveling. Help me. Okay, say hi. You got it. Hey, crazy man. Okay, come here. Come to Daddy. Get on the path where it's been shoveled. It's easier to walk. You just want to fall down. Okay.